Unlocking the Power of Qualifiers in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English language qualifiers. These are the little words that add spice to your sentences, offering precision and context. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding qualifiers is key to mastering the English language. Let's get started. Qualifiers are words or phrases that modify or adjust the meaning of other words, usually adjectives and adverbs, making your communication more exact and interesting. They can either intensify or reduce the strength of the words they accompany. Imagine them as the volume control of your language. There are mainly two types of qualifiers: those that intensify your statement, like very or extremely, and those that diminish it, such as somewhat or slightly. Knowing when and how to use these can change the impact of your message dramatically. It's not just about sprinkling qualifiers everywhere. There's an art to using them effectively. For instance, saying, "I'm somewhat tired," has a much softer impact than, "I'm extremely tired." The choice of qualifier can change the meaning of a sentence significantly. Even native speakers slip up with qualifiers. Be wary of overusing them, which can lead to vagueness or exaggeration. Also, certain qualifiers pair better with specific adjectives and adverbs, so it's important to learn these combinations to sound more natural and fluent. Let's put your knowledge to the test. We'll go through examples and exercises to help you get comfortable with using qualifiers. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes progress. That's a wrap on qualifiers. They may be small, but they are mighty in shaping the nuance and clarity of your communication. Use them wisely, and watch your English flourish. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!